Hi guys, welcome back to Tea on Things. I'm Rai. And in this video, we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. Let's continue our smart home series with this new August Smart Lock 3rd generation with Connect Wi-Fi bridge. So, before we unbox this, bakit ko nga ba binili tong smart lock na to? First and foremost, it's to make my life easier going inside the house. At least this one, ang kailangan mo lang is your smartphone para makapasok kayo sa bahay nyo. O diba, mas madali kesa maghanap ka ng susi and to insert actually your key into the door lock. The reason why I bought the 3rd gen and not the latest gen, I think which is the 4th gen, is because ito lang daw yung nagwo-work doon sa built-in lock system ng condo namin. The main reason why I bought this smart lock is because I want to integrate our door into the smart home system. Kasi this one can be connected either to Alexa, to Siri, or to Google Home. All you need to do is the Connect Wi-Fi bridge para it's connected to the internet. So you can control your door anywhere. Ang maganda pa nga rito, you can automate the locking of your door, especially kapag aalis kayo ng bahay or pag matutulog na kayo sa gabi. Kaya very important ito for our security. You can also give access to your family and friends. Hindi mo na kailangang pa-duplicate ng keys. Anyways, enough of the reason. Let's start with the unboxing. At the front of the box, you have the August branding, the Smart Lock Connect Wi-Fi bridge, and also the Alexa and Google Assistant. Some of the features are posted at the back of the box, like total control, control guest access, auto unlock, auto lock, user voice, and also it pairs with other August products such as the doorbell camera. On the side, some other advantages, and on the other side, it shows you the different compatibility for your current lock systems and the requirements and what you have inside the box. So let's go, let's unbox this. Okay, so here's what's inside the box. Ayun. Oh, mabilis lang siya. Ayun! Here! So you have... Oh, medyo mabigat siya. This one. See, so you have the the smart lock mechanism. I think this is the one that I need to put and install in my door lock. This is the Connect Wi-Fi bridge. This is very important kasi this is the one that enables you to connect the smart lock to Wi-Fi, which gives you access to your Google Home. It's just asking you to download the app, which I already have kasi we have our house in Cavite installed with the latest generation. And then you have some guide sticker. And what's this? This is the one that tells you if the lock has been opened or if the door has been opened. I think this is some kind of a sensor. Ah, and that's it? Okay. Yeah, that's it. It didn't come with an installation manual. Ano yun? Hahanapin ko pa sa ano? Sa YouTube. Sige na nga.